My name's Jason Mahoney. I have multiple stores with Pocket Geek locations with Assurant. I've been in the mobile industry for over 20 years. I have a strong team behind me. We're very much about customer service, customer care and customer journey. The main thing which is driving the brand is the quality of work. What makes Pocket Geek different to any other type of repair stores or centres is that we have the personal touch. We make sure that the customer's getting the correct journey all the way through, and every step of the way they know exactly what's happening with the repair. We've benchmarked ourselves to make sure that the repair that we do is at the skill set that it's supposed to be, as in OEM, and we do that for the whole process.
So when a customer first enters our store, we ask the customer what it is that they would like, whether or not that's an insurance claim, a walk-in, or general inquiries to do with accessories, etc. So our approach for insurance claims would be, once the customer comes into the store, we would check over the device, make sure that the device matches to what's on our system, such as the IMEI number, the color of the device, and the damage that has been reported by their insurers. The system that we use is GDPR compliant. It's governed by a password which you would need to enter before logging into the system. We do not share information with anyone, of course. We prefer to ask customers for a ticket number rather than asking for their name and contact number. And then of course we will check that all information is correct on the system. The engineer room is ESD protected, so this protects the parts, essentially, the motherboard from being damaged because of the static electricity in the room. It means that the engineers have to wear correct uniform in that area. No one from the front of house would be able to go into that area because of this reason.
With the repair that we do, we ensure that they are all up to standard and have all had quality checks afterwards. So we run them through like a QC progress check on all repairs. So once the customer has it back, we know that it's up to the standard for the customer to have. As a company, on an audit process, to keep it to that level that we need to keep it to, we have an audit process in place which audits the system, the repair queue system, to make sure everything's being done with compliance and following the GDPR rules. And then all stores are subject to a compliance check. So we do an audit with them to make sure they're COSH, they've got ESD flooring, ESD testing, making sure they're using the correct liquids, making sure that the tools are calibrated, so we can ensure that genuine repair. Pocket Geek as a whole, we want it to be the #1 solution for insurance customers across the UK. My drive is to try and open up as many stores as I can, because we want customers to be able to walk in, get their phones repaired and be on their way straight away. We don't want the old process of sending a phone in and waiting 5 to 7 days for a phone to be repaired. We're all about the customer journey. We're all about making sure people are happy, and that's our goal.